No matter how old your child is, we have lots of great activity books to keep them busy. First are our white planes. These start at things like beginning pen control, learning to do simple strokes like straight lines, circles, and squiggly lines. We also have some that are themed, such as doing dots to dots or doing mazes. And then we go up to the learning concepts like learning to write your letters, learning to write your numbers. We have first letters, first numbers, capital letters, lowercase letters, 1, 2, 3. We also have things like learning concepts such as math, so learning to add and subtract, learning to tell time, there's a clocks one, and learning to count money. We have white plain cards that go with these as well. They come in a box. Each box has 50 double-sided white plain cards on it, and it has things to keep you busy in the car. Add more animals. Add beaks and legs and eyes to the flamingos. Draw the other side of the tiger. Those are some examples of them. We love to punch those with a hole punch and put a ring through them, pass them to the kids in the back seat. It's a great idea. Sticker books come in all varieties. With Usborne, this is our first sticker book, an example of that. These first sticker books, there's lots of different topics. They have a scene picture. There is no wrong place to put the sticker, so it's a scene picture, and then you get to go ahead and add the stickers wherever you want. It's a great first sticker opportunity. We then have something like our Build a Picture sticker book. This is a Trains, Trucks, and Tractors volume. This one has some simple starts to a scene, and it has some areas where you're going to add stickers to that, and then what you do is you flip to that page in the book and you get to add all the stickers. Again, some of it completing part of the picture, some of it getting to add just like you did freely in the first one. We then have your Build Your Own sticker book, and these ones are a little bit more complicated. What you end up doing is you add stickers to all of the dark spaces. So there's one that has not been done. So you can see all those dark cutouts. You flip to the sticker page and you add the stickers to those specific pages to make something like that. This is the Monster Trucks one. There are lots of options there as well. For girls, we do have a unicorn sticker book, which I do not have, but it's beautiful and sparkly. We also have our sticker dolly and little sticker dolly dressing books. These have scenes with all the pretty girls, and you get to put their clothes. You get to pick their clothes and dress them. There are lots of options of sticker dolly dressing, and for boys, there's also something like the Superheroes sticker book, and this is the Heroes sticker book, where you're dressing people like explosive experts, paratroopers, firemen, stunt performers, things like that that are more boy-oriented. For your arts and crafts oriented kiddos, we have our foil art. This is where you get to rub pieces of foil onto pictures with your fingers so it's nice and not messy. We have our 100 things to fold and fly. This is the bugs option. There are dragons, airplanes, rocket ships. You get to rip out each page. It has directions to fold it and fly it like a paper airplane. Lots of fun. We also have our masks books where you are creating all kinds of masks. So what you would do is each page has a different mask. It teaches you some information about that creature, and it tells you what to do in terms of getting all the pieces out, putting them together, and you get to wear it around. Really fun as well are our magic painting books. This is the dinosaur one, but there are lots of different options. It's a blank page. You just paint with water. It comes with a little paintbrush. You go over it with water, and what you end up with is a really pretty painted picture with no mess as well. We have mazes books for kiddos to look into. We also have lots of coloring books as well as rubber stamp books. So these are fun. You get to use the ink pad and the stamps and create a picture however you want to, and lots of fingerprint activities as well. So for these, you're using the ink pad and you're adding to the picture and you get to draw on it. Really, really fun. For your budding writers, we have lots of options. We have a first storybook for the youngest writers that have lots of kind of story starters, story prompts. It kind of walks you through all of the how do you write a story, so much more supported. For older kids, we have Write Your Own. We have Draw Your Own comics as well. This is mystery and suspense stories. You can see there's lots more lines on there. It just gives you kind of the start or the setup of the scene, and you get to go ahead and write it. Our academy books are also great for older kids. This is basically going through the entire course on how do you become a doctor, what are all the things you need to learn. There are lots in this series of academy books. These are great activity books for our older kids. And our scribble books just came out as well. So these are similar, but more hands-on drawing. There's a science one, engineering one to look into. So our scribble books are great for those older kiddos who are STEM-minded. These are us born STEM books. Last but not least, for older kids, we do have lots of activity books from Bear Grylls. So these are for kiddos who like extreme environments, learning about animals. There are some stickers in them, but there are lots of facts, fill-ins, crosswords, things like that. So I hope you found an activity book you and your child will love doing together.